quail time. There's the food. He's getting all the critters ready. I'm walking over with him, watching my feet.
Finally got the rain we've been asking for.
Because there's the root that got me. Yes.
All right, get back,
Let's
guys.
see these guys.
Can't get in the way of the dish. Let's get you some water.
Okay, here he goes. Time for the next feeding.
Yeah, we gotta water these things too.
I gotta move these plants in too. I thought I got some of these, but I guess I didn't. That's good. They're still being watered outside, my inside plants.
It's not really hot today, it's just a little muggy.
Yeah. So he's getting those guys fed. And these
There you go.
these guys will be next. And this is that cage that Clay built, which we're selling our quail, so things are going to be a little crazy with cages and such.
Right here, man.
The other one's way over there whistling for him.
I hear you. You can't get in the dish, dum-dum. Can't pour the food while you're standing in it. All right, get back. There you go. There, get under it. I gotta have that egg. Get out of the way. There you go.
They get so excited. Quails are little munchers.
Well, they're very friendly too. So.
Yeah, they are.
You'd think the quail would be flopping around trying to get away from you. Not these days. Crappy stuff.
So we got a night off, huh?
Yeah, I was all ready to go today, so. Down the middle.
And if you saw in a previous video, we have sold all the chickens. So they're not in there. I have some few house plants in there that I'm going to move.
8 quail eggs.
Let's see the eggs. Oh, that's good.
I'll put them in with yesterday's.
Okay. And then we're going to head over to that other house.
Alright, I'm coming, boys.
I'm moving around a little
I
crazy.
moved all the girls up here on the hill.
The breeders, right?
All the girls and a couple of breeder boys.
Oh, okay, I got it. I got it. In other words, he's telling me he moved all the quail this way. So I'm watching where I'm walking. It's grassy. It's grassy. The overgrown. The bucket garden, which is doing great.
How are we doing?
Now we're over here.
You guys got food? So there's only 4 of you. Gotta move you guys all over to the same side here. Make it easier on me.
Helped you out, huh?
So I took all the females out of there, took them up on the hill, and then that one young couple came and bought a bunch of them up. So
Oops, sorry,
they
honey.
wanted mostly females, so I obliged them.
Usually you wouldn't do that, but we're selling off all of our quail, so we don't care.
Well, I'm not selling them all off. I'm going to butcher most of them.
Right, they're going to go in the dinner.
I just wanted to give somebody a chance that was looking for quail to get quail. I was going to move them other ones over here for room and move some of the babies down here for room.
Is this all we have to do out here today?
That's all the chores I have left anymore except for checking the
Garden?
garden.
You going to go do that now?
Yeah, I got to put these into the thing here and I'll be right.
We've been harvesting little things out of this. Oh my goodness. We took a cucumber and a,
It's just a matter of checking everything. We had a heck of a windstorm yesterday and knocked some of these buckets down.
I was saying we took a cucumber and
We took 2 cucumbers out of here.
a tomato, and Clay made the best salad. Oh, it was so good. It just tasted, there's just no comparison. He's eating the garden.
You have to test the garden over there.
You gotta test it, that's right.
Green bean?
Yeah, I'll have a green bean. Looks good. I like this. I really like them best raw. Oops, see my hand, guys. You were about to hear some, what, sweetheart?
I like them fresh out of the garden. Our peppers are turning color too.
I saw that. I saw, they look good.
This one here is going to broke a branch off, so I'm just going to eat the pepper.
Yeah, if it breaks, then Clay gets to eat it. We're not vegan, but I don't think if we wanted to be, we'd have problems, but we are definitely carnivores. Well, what do we call
Omnivore.
someone? Omnivore.
These are the Fuji jalapenos.
They look,
They are good.
let me see. Hey, let's go look at those squash you said.
Yeah.
Probably hear me chomping, but it's so good.
Just checking out the peppers, see how they're doing. Got some tomatoes at the bottom.
Look great. Isn't that pretty? And my son is
Now, when it comes to tomatoes, I pick them off when they first start to turn. Gives them a chance to ripen in the house, and they don't get rotten on the vine if you don't pay attention to it right away.
My son gets his gardening love from Clay. I should say our son. He's my biological son.
See this?
Look at all those flowers. Isn't that pretty?
This is a different type of squash. I have no idea.
Is that pumpkin? Let me see.
No, it's not a pumpkin.
Anybody know what it is? Let us know.
But the blue Hubbard is down over there.
I don't know if I can see it. Oh yeah, he's way... See him? Yep, I got him. I think.
You can probably get him over here better.
Can you see him?
Right,
Here,
right
little
in the
bit.
center of your screen. It's that blue colored squash down there. And
There's another one growing way over there on that other vine over there next to the building.
yeah, but I think that's one of these, same as this.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure what kind of squash it is. Well, this one here is a see. This one's a Hubbard up there. I'm not sure what that one is.
Yep, there's like a little...
Another Hubbard up there.
So this was fun because we kind of... This was like Jack and the Beanstalk. You threw the seeds out and we're getting stuff.
They just went wild with the chicken manure.
So yeah, they did. They liked that. So
Got another baby one up there.
yeah,
Where that flower is.
there's all kinds of blooms. So we'll see if we get what we got.
We may end up having to take some of them to the auction.
It's a surprise.
Share the wealth.
Exactly. It's a surprise.
All right, I guess I got all the tomatoes that are ripening for now. These will all be red in 2 days.
Yeah. Okay, guys. With that, remember,
Big and small, you too could be a backyard farm.
God bless, guys.